If anyone ever tells you that puchkas are the same as Pani Puri, Golgappas or Gupshup, then unfriend them instantly. A puchka is nothing like its counterparts. It is filled with the flavors and the love of Kolkata. When it comes to street food in Kolkata, puchka is the indisputable leader. Every evening, puchka wallas appear on nearly every street in Kolkata with their giant baskets encased in red cloth, and soon the crowds gather round. How do you decide which one to try? Well, we made it easier by getting the food lovers of Kolkata to pick the best puchkas in town. Top 5 places to eat puchkas in Kolkata. Dilips Puchkas. Talk about puchka in Kolkata and chances are many will point you towards the direction of Maharaja Chaat Center in Vivekananda Park. Dilips Puchkas is famous as a puchka wala that serves a variety of puchkas. No matter which age group you belong to, you can never resist them. The filling of the puchkas include mashed boiled potatoes whose taste is further increased by black salt, spices, tamarind pulp and chili powder. Locals swear by the taste of this puchka wala. He even caters for weddings, serving mutton puchka, paneer puchka, chocolate puchka among others. Do grab a mouthful of dahi puchka garnished with a sweet chutney made from dates, mango pulp and pudina. Vedan Market. Puchkas in Vedan Market is known for Krishnakant Sharma, who prepares puchkas that have a distinct flavor because of his special homemade spice. Along with the mouth-watering puchkas, one can enjoy the aroma of methi, dhania, ajwain, sauf and jeera, all homemade by Sharma himself. His pudina flavored tamarind water will bring you back again and again. Though the puchkas of Vedan Market are expensive, they're totally worth it. Muller Bhawan. Another favorite haunt of puchka lovers in the city is right outside Muller Bhawan in Park Street. This guy opens his shop every day around 4 p.m. The hard-hitting tanginess of the pickled water, a combo of pudina, lime and tamarind, served along with the puchkas here is unmistakable. Chakravaria. Not a fan of mashed potatoes in a puchka? Well, open this puchka stall near Triangular Park in Chakravaria offers an alternative. He uses mashed green bananas instead of potatoes to cater to the large Jain community that resides there. But this doesn't mean that they don't serve aloo puchka. On the contrary, all the puchkas are much liked here. Russell Street. This joint is located right opposite the Bombay dyeing shop on Russell Street. They are famous for their spicy aloo and tangy pudina pani. With a shop that is 30 years old, you can expect nothing but perfection. The ingredients used to prepare the puchkas are here, never revealed by Nankuram Gupta. The customers are left wondering what has just pampered their taste buds. Now that you know where you can find the lip-smacking puchkas, what are you waiting for? Head towards the places mentioned in the list to eat the most delicious puchkas that you have ever tasted.